Hello children, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are understanding whatever we are doing in the class. So children, today is Friday, so we will solve the exercises from your another book, that is mental maths book. So before starting the class, all of you get ready with your mental maths book. So children, today the day is Friday, as I've already told, and the date is 14th of January 2022. So let us see what we are going to do today. So in today's class, children, we will continue with Unit 12 data handling. So in today's class, we will solve the sums from page number 101 and 102. We have already done the sums from this unit, that is data handling. We have done the pictographs from here, right? So let us again read what is data handling. Data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording and presenting information in a way that is helpful to others, for instance in graphs or charts. So in data handling, children, different graphs like pictographs are given, bar graphs are given, or charts are given, and looking those bars and charts, graphs and charts, we will gather the information about the data. Okay, so that is data handling. I have already told in the last class also. So we have done many sums from pictograph in the last class. Today also we will continue with the pictograph. As you can see in the picture, pictograph, different pictures are given, and with that pictures we will conclude whatever things we can collect the data from here. Like for example, if I ask you how many cars were sold on Thursday, so you can see that one car represents 10 cars. Yes, so in Thursday you can say 10 fours are 40 cars were sold. So children, in today's class you will go through a new term, that is bar graph. Okay, you can see the picture. I have given here two pictures which is showing bar graph. So let us first read what is a bar graph. So a graph using bars. So here you can see that it is looking like bars, right? So it is a type of graph which uses bars to show quantities or numbers, so they can be easily compared. So a graph which uses bars to show quantity or numbers, and we can compare among those bars. So here I have given two bar graphs. In the first bar graphs you can see that football, basketball, gymnastics, handball, tennis, these are the sports which are liked by different number of people. So if I ask you which sport is liked by the most number of people, you will obviously say football. Yes, because the football is liked by many people, so it is the tallest in height, and gymnastic is liked by the least number of people, so it is very short in height. So in the next graph you can see that here favorite color of students are given. So yeah, it's given that 1 unit equals to 5 students also. So you can, if I ask you which color is, what number of students like blue color, you can say that 20 number of students like blue color, and blue color is liked by the most number of students. In such a way that red color is liked by 10 students. Yes, yellow color is liked by 5 students, and it is the least liked color. So children, when you draw a bar graph, you can draw it vertical way also. Same graph is that, okay? These two are same graph. You can draw a bar graph either vertical way, either horizontal way. So this was a short about bar graph, children. So in today's class, we will do first pictograph. We will draw a pictograph. We will answer the question looking at the pictograph here. Okay, that is the number of trees planted in different villages. Next we will do two bar graph. One is this, the bar graph which shows the fruit liked by the student of class 3, and another one is this. In an interclass cricket match, the runs scored by different students are shown here in the bar graph. So these things we are going to do in today's class. So let us continue with our class. So let me read out question number 2, children. Sahiba visited an old age home and distributed the following items to elderly. So blankets were given, shirts, sweaters, sweets and biscuits. So draw a pictograph based on the information to use. One picture equals to 2 items. So let us first write the items: blankets, shirts, sweaters, sweets, biscuits. Yes. So I will start from blanket. Blanket, shirt, sweater, sweaters, sweets and biscuits. Yes, sweets and biscuits. So here you have to represent one picture with 2 items. So let us take one picture. Let us take the picture of circle. Okay, circle equals to, one circle equals to 2 items. So how many blankets were given? 6 blankets were given. Yes, so we know that 2 3s is 6. So we will divide, if you divide 6 with 2, 3 is the answer. So how many blankets you are going to draw? How many circles you are going to draw? 3 circles. 1, 2, 3 circles. Next is shirt. 8 shirt. So you divide 8 with 2, there will be 4. So how many shirts? You are going to draw a circle for how many shirts? 8 shirts. That will be equal to 4 circles. 4 circles. Next, sweater, 5. 5 means what? 4 plus 1. So 4, if you divide it with 2, each with 2, that means 2 circles you will draw and a half circle you will draw. Okay, so for 1 is the half of 2. So for this you will draw a half circle. For 1 you will draw a half circle. Sweets, 10 sweets. So how many sweets, how many circles you are going to draw? 5 circles, because if you divide 10 with 2, the answer is 5. So for each circle it is 2 items. That is why 5 circles. And biscuits, you know how many to draw for biscuits? 6 circles. Very good. So we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 circles. So in this way you will draw a pictograph, children. Instead of circle you can use other shapes also. Okay, it is not that you have to draw a circle only. You can use any other shape which is liked by you. So next, children, the number of trees planted in different villages are shown below. Here you can see that village A, B, C, D, E, they have planted different number of trees, and one tree stands for 20 such tree. Okay, if you are taking the picture of one tree, that means one tree stands for 20 such tree. So village A planted dash trees. So how many trees are there in village A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees. So 6 trees means how many trees? 6 into 20, that is equal to 120 trees. So each tree you are going to multiply it with 20, because one tree represents 20 trees. Now next, village B planted 4 trees are there. So 4 20s are 80 trees. Village C planted only 2 trees are there. So 2 20s are 40 trees. Village D has planted many trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trees. So 7 into 20, 140 trees. Now village E, 1, 2, 3 into 20, 60 trees. Yes, 60 trees. Now the next question is the total number of villages planted in all by 5 villages. So when you add this all, your answer will come. So it is your home assignment. You can add and write the answer. Village dash planted maximum number of trees. You can see that village D planted 140 trees. Yes, so our answer will be village D planted maximum number of trees. And village dash planted, village dash planted minimum number of trees. So you can see that village C planted only 40 trees. C yes, and village D planted maximum number of trees, that is 140 trees. So how many more trees should be planted by village B to have the numbers of trees equal to village D? So village B has 80 trees, yes, and village D has 140 trees. So if you subtract it, your answer will become, that means how many more trees should be planted by village B. So you know that 80, 90, 100, that means 60 more trees. Yes, if you subtract 140 with 80, the answer is 60. So village B should plant 60 more trees in order to have their number equally to village D. So I hope this is also clear. It is very easy. We have been doing this type of sum so many times in another math steps book also. Yes. So next is the bar graph, children. So the bar graph given below shows the fruits liked by the students of class 3. So you can easily see the graph, and there are how many fruits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fruits. Yes. So maximum number 10 number of students are there. So which fruit is liked by the maximum number of students? So you can see orange, it is the tallest graph. So you will write your answer orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. I hope you also like to eat orange. Yes. Which fruit is liked by the minimum number of students? So it is lychee. Yes, because the graph is very less, very short heighted. So lychee, L-Y-C-H-E-E, lychee. Next, children, how many students like banana? So you can see here that here it is the height of banana, and if you go this side, 8 students like banana. So how many students? 8 students, right? Which fruit are liked by an equal number of students? Now you can see the bar graph, apple and grapes, they are of same height. So which fruits are liked by an equal number of students? You will write apple and grapes. I hope that you find it very interesting and very easy. Yes, because if you understand it clearly, if you understand the bar graph, this all data clearly, it will help you in your higher class. Now in an interclass cricket match, the runs scored by different students are shown below. Here you can see that there's a cricket match, and Jack, Renal, Pip, Sandy, Mohit, they have scored their own run. So who scored the maximum run? So you can see that the tallest bar graph is of Jack. Yes, so our answer is Jack, because Jack has scored the maximum run. His bar graph is the tallest among other bar graph. Who scored the least run? You can do it yourself. Who scored 50 runs? That also you can do it yourself. Yes, you can see the height of Jack. It is matching with 55. So Jack is not the one. Beep. Yes, if you see Beep, Beep has scored 50 runs. So you will write your answer B-I-B, Beep. Next, which two students scored equal number of runs? This also you can find and tell me the answer. You can easily see the bar graph. They have equal length. So those who are having equal length, they have scored the maximum number of runs. So children, I hope whatever we have done in today's class is clear to you all. So stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you everyone.